This is what we're fixing for the city of Tiffin on this is what we're doing right now. We're putting this, we're fixing all of this, and as you can see, it has dropped down. Look at how much it's dropped down. So we're gonna fix all this, level all this. You take a 2x4, as you can see, I just run it across like that to get it all nice and even. And we keep mixing product and you just keep going across like this. Kind of like beat it down. And then once you beat it down, when you finish the job, then as you can see, this is all completely finished. A lot of people leave it alone like that. We always put a skim coat to cover all the scars. So when we get done with it, as you can see me laying this product on there, it is a skim coat that we put in there specifically just to give it a really finished look to it. Then we can broom it and it's a complete project finish. This was a project that we did for the city of Tiffin to show the city employees how to repair and fix broken sidewalks. This was a bike trail